Hi guys, so we just got a squishy package. And yeah, so we're gonna open it for you guys. I don't really have much to say. I'm with my friend Jess today. She's got a plaiting, if you're wondering where her hair is. Like, you can't really see her. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Okay, so there was an invoice somewhere. Found it. Alright,
It's crumpled up a bit.
My glasses are like so annoying. So
There's chocolate on it.
this is sad. Anyways, my glasses are so annoying. Anyways, so it's just like everything we ordered. Should we read them out?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first slime is really crunchy slime, which was £10. Very expensive.
Oh, on the bag it says no refund.
Oh.
I just noticed that.
That's like a bit sad. I know, we bought this off an Instagram seller, so.
Really crunchy slime.
Wait, guys, wait, earlier. Wait, really crunchy slime.
It's hardly any except from this one.
Yeah, I think it's the back. So. Oh my god, the bag is so hard to open. Wait, don't like get it out because
It's wet.
it's alright. You can carry on playing.
It's wet and sticky and the glitter falls out.
Wait, let me feel it. It's like, oh, it's not that stretchy. It's kind of sticky. I don't know why.
It's wet as well.
Yeah, it's wet. It doesn't poke very well. I'm not going to take it out of the bag because it's got like confetti in it and I don't want to get all the confetti everywhere. Oh my god, they're so satisfying. Right, I'm just going to open it again. Right, if you can wait. That's actually a bit.
So the next one is pink, really big putty, homemade for £15.
I can't really find it. I can't find a really big putty.
There's only
There's this.
there's this. We asked for really big. This is tiny.
Where did she go?
That scared me.
I was like, oh no. Oh wait.
Sorry about that.
Oh my, move your feet. Sorry.
Oh wait.
So this is.
Oh, it marked it.
This is like a putty, yeah.
We asked for a really big putty.
And it's supposed to be stretchy. It's not, yeah. It doesn't even poke. Stupid slime. Next one is
Mixed glitter slime.
this one maybe? Yeah, this one looks mixed. I'm not going to take it out the bag.
Well, just show them. Don't actually play with it so it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, but it still falls out if you take it out the bag.
So this is it. It's got quite a bit of glitter in, but like...
It's not really glitter, it's confetti. So
Yeah.
it's not really. Is it wet?
Yeah, it's very.
Oh, it's that
And it falls
wet.
out.
Oh my god. Anyways, so far this slime package is a disappointment to the world.
The next slime, well, the last slime we ordered was.
Wait, say the things. So the pink really big putty, homemade was £15. Mixed with slime was £5, and this is £7.
So it's purple slime.
This is the last slime.
Oh my god.
I'll just show it to them. And then, oh my god, that is wet. That is wet.
Ew!
That is wet, guys. That is so wet.
Look at your hands.
Oh my god, guys, this seriously marks your hands like mad. It doesn't even poke properly. This is seriously the worst one. It doesn't even stick to each other.
That is.
That is bad.
So let's move on to the squishies.
The first squishy is a pineapple squishy for £10. Yeah. It's kind of ripped. That's sad.
It is a bit squishy, but
yeah, it's not like extremely squishy.
And the top's falling off.
Yeah, it's like it's gonna die. Oh god, that actually hurt me then. Okay. My glasses are covered in like that.
That was £10. The next one is...
That was pretty expensive for a Rick squishy. The next one is a watermelon squishy, which is £7. Not that bad. Oh! The first thing we see is defects. Defects everywhere. Right, I want to show them this there too, and then let's see how squishy it is.
It's not really that slow rising.
Yeah, it is kind of squishy. We like poking them.
Alright, maybe move on to the next one.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I just want to show you something. So, if you see, look at my window. That's my garden. If you saw, I'm sorry if you didn't see the PS.
So the next one,
a unicorn purple squishy for 15 pounds. Do I have like
15 for this?
Oh my god, it's not even purple.
It's ripped all along the neck and the
ears and stuff.
ears.
Oh my god, how that isn't even purple. Stupid. This like don't buy off Instagram sellers. They're like stupid. No offense.
It's not even that slow rising.
Exactly. Like look, this is the average slow risingness. The squishy is. Then look at the horn. It's like the horn's kind of cute, but still. It's just the next squishy is a jumbo Pop-Tart squishy, and guess what? It's probably not even jumbo, which is £25. Oh my! I literally spent £101 on this.
That was more
package.
because
I know that added extra onto it, like extra money onto it.
This is not slow rising.
Yeah, I mean we could make it slow rising by painting over it. Like
look at it.
I might do a video on painting over some of my squishies. But like seriously.
So the last squishy
is a strawberry squishy for £7. Oh my god. I hate this package. Every single squishy is ripped. Don't put your whole finger in it, sorry, not your whole. That sounded wrong. Don't put your whole in it.
This isn't even slow rising.
Right, I just want to. It probably, even if that's probably right, I'm gonna sit on it. I'm gonna
no,
sit
do
on
it on here.
Wait, no. Wait, I'm just gonna move the camera down.
I'm gone. Right.
Oh my god, that is so not so rising. I hate this squishy so much.
There's one thing left.
That isn't even on the list. No, it's not even on the back either. Might be an extra.
Right, so we got an extra, but this is really bad because there's confetti all over it. The face is sort of missing. There's a hole in it where all the stuff's coming out. It is.
I'm not doing anything. Quoting nothing. Just to say.
I thought that was £5. It looks it. That's it.
Yeah.
Everything in here was a disappointment.
I spent £101 on it.
Wait, no, let's count it over and see if that's even right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. That's 60. 70, 80. 80, 87, 9, I can't speak. 94, 94, yeah, 101. £101.
Wait, oh, no.
And there's no refunds.
No wonder it says no refund.
And plus, you didn't even type this. This is just all in scribbly writing.
What are you doing?
Oh, we forgot to pause it. You've got confetti glitter on your head.
I need a drink now.
Hi. It's still on pause.
Oh my god, yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.